Hi traders, in this video we are going to unpack two core building blocks of Forex, pips and lots. By the end, you'll know exactly what a pip is, what a lot is, and how they combine to tell you how much money you're actually risking or making per trade. Let's get into explaining what a pip is. A pip, or percentage in profit, is the standard unit we use to measure price movements in Forex pairs. For most pairs, a pip is the fourth decimal place. For example, let's say our pair here, if it should move from 1.1547 to 1.1548, that's a 1 pip move. On JPY pairs, a pip is usually the second decimal place. So 145.20 to 145.21 is 1 pip. Counting in pips instead of dollars helps you compare trades consistently and talk about moves and risks in the same language, no matter what size you're trading. Now let's head on to explaining lots. Okay, we'll see this up. Lot is simply the position size or volume, how many units of currency you're buying or selling. Common sizes are standard lots, 100,000 units, mini lots, 10,000 units, micro lots, 1,000 units, and nano lots, 100 units of the base currency. Your lot size directly controls how much each pip is worth in your account currency, which is why lot sizing is at the core of risk management. Now let's put pips and lots together. Take this EUR/USD pair with a standard lot. A typical pip value is about 10 USD per pip, so a 20 pip move in your favor is roughly 200 USD. The same 20 pips against you is a 200 USD loss. If you drop to a mini lot, that same 20 pip move is about 20 USD, and with a micro is about 2 USD. Same price action, very different money impacts because the lot size changed. You can read a detailed breakdown of what pips and lots are, plus worked examples of pip value calculations using the link in the description below. If this made pips and lots feel more concrete and less abstract, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with any questions or examples you want to see, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.